Impact results analysis. You know that moment when you throw a rock into a calm pond and watch the ripples spread? Well, multiply that by about 10 billion and you'll get close to what happened when DART hit Dimorphos. The moment of impact on September 26, 2022 created the most spectacular light show in our solar system, a massive debris plume that stretched over 10,000 kilometers into space, visible to telescopes across the globe. But here's the mind-blowing part. This wasn't just a little puff of dust. The impact crater ejected millions of tons of rock and debris at speeds reaching 500 meters per second, creating what scientists called a comet-like tail that persisted for months. Ground-based observatories and the Hubble Space Telescope captured breathtaking images, showing the asteroid system glowing like a distant star. The brightness increase was so dramatic that Dimorphos became 35 times brighter than normal, making it visible to amateur astronomers with basic equipment. What shocked researchers most was the duration of the debris cloud. Initial models predicted it would dissipate within days, but observations in November 2022 still showed active particle ejection. The European Southern Observatory tracked individual boulders the size of cars being hurled into space, while NASA's infrared telescopes detected the heat signature of the impact site glowing for weeks afterward. This spectacular aftermath proved that kinetic impact missions create far more dramatic and long-lasting effects than anyone had calculated.